Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the world's most dangerous insects. From deadly spiders to venomous ants. So let's get started. Number 1. Black widow spiders. Black widow spiders are a type of venomous spider found in many parts of the world, including the United States. They are called black widow because the females have a distinctive black color and a red hourglass shape on their abdomen. Black widow spiders are known for their venomous bite, which can be very dangerous to humans. The venom is a neurotoxin, which means it affects the nervous system. Symptoms of a black widow spider bite can include muscle pain and spasms, sweating, and difficulty breathing. In rare cases, the bite can be fatal. Black widow spiders are found in a variety of habitats, including forests, fields, and urban areas. They build webs in sheltered locations, such as under rocks or logs, and they are active at night. There are several ways to prevent and control black widow spiders, including keeping outdoor areas clear of debris and clutter, sealing up cracks and crevices in buildings, and using insecticides or traps. It's also important to be cautious and aware of your surroundings when in areas where black widow spiders may be present. In summary, black widow spiders are a type of venomous spider found in many parts of the world, and they are known for their dangerous bite. They are found in a variety of habitats and can be prevented and controlled through various methods. It's important to take precautions and be aware of your surroundings to avoid black widow spider bites. Number 2. Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are small flying insects that are found all over the world. There are thousands of different species of mosquitoes, and they come in many different shapes and sizes. Most mosquitoes are less than 1 centimeter long and have a thin, elongated body with 6 legs, 2 wings, and a long, thin proboscis, a needle-like mouthpart, that they use to suck blood from animals and humans. Mosquitoes are known for being annoying pests that bite and cause itchy welts on the skin. However, they are also responsible for transmitting a number of deadly diseases, including malaria, Zika virus, West Nile virus, and yellow fever. Female mosquitoes need blood to produce eggs, and when they bite an infected animal or person, they can pick up the disease-causing parasite or virus. When they bite someone else, they can then transmit the disease to that person. Mosquitoes are most active at dawn and dusk, and they are attracted to the carbon dioxide and body heat that people and animals produce. They are also attracted to certain chemicals in sweat and can be deterred by strong smells like garlic, lemon, or eucalyptus. To prevent mosquito bites, it's important to wear long-sleeved shirts and pants, use insect repellent, and avoid areas with standing water, which can be a breeding ground for mosquitoes. Mosquito nets can also be used to keep mosquitoes away while sleeping. Overall, while mosquitoes can be a nuisance and a serious health threat, there are many ways to protect yourself from their bites and the diseases they can transmit. Number 3. Fire ants. Fire ants are a type of ant that can be found in many parts of the world, including the southern United States. They are called fire ants because their sting can be very painful and feels like you are being burned. Fire ants live in colonies, which can contain thousands of individual ants. These colonies can be found in many different types of habitats, including fields, forests, and urban areas. They build large nests made of dirt and other materials, and these nests can be several feet wide and tall. Fire ants are known for their aggressive behavior and will attack anything they perceive as a threat to their colony. This can include people, pets, and other animals. When they bite, they inject venom into their victim, which can cause a painful and itchy reaction. In some cases, people can have a severe allergic reaction to fire ant stings, which can be life-threatening. There are several ways to control fire ants, including using insecticides and bait traps. However, it's important to be careful when using these methods, as they can be harmful to other animals and the environment. It's also important to take precautions to avoid being stung by fire ants, such as wearing protective clothing and being aware of where their nests are located. In summary, fire ants are a type of ant that can be found in many parts of the world, and they are known for their painful sting and aggressive behavior. There are ways to control and prevent fire ant infestations, but it's important to be careful and take precautions to avoid being stung. To help us reach more people and keep producing quality content, we kindly ask that you like, share, and subscribe before we go any further. Number 4. Japanese giant hornets. Japanese giant hornets are a type of hornet that is native to Japan, but can also be found in other parts of Asia. They are called giant because they can grow up to 2 inches long, which is much larger than other types of hornets. Japanese giant hornets are known for their aggressive behavior and powerful sting. Their venom is potent and can cause severe pain, swelling, and even death in some cases. They are also known to attack honeybees, which can be harmful to bee populations and the environment. Japanese giant hornets live in colonies, which can contain hundreds of individual hornets. They build large nests made of wood fibers and saliva, which can be found in trees, underground, or in other sheltered locations. There are several ways to prevent and control Japanese giant hornets, including removing their nests and using traps or insecticides. However, it's important to be cautious when dealing with these hornets, as they can be very dangerous. It's also important to avoid disturbing their nests, as this can provoke an attack. In summary, Japanese giant hornets are a type of large, aggressive hornet that is native to Japan and other parts of Asia. They are known for their powerful sting and aggressive behavior. There are ways to prevent and control Japanese giant hornets, but it's important to be cautious and avoid disturbing their nests. Number 5. Locusts. Locusts are a type of grasshopper that can form swarms of millions of individuals. They are found in many parts of the world, particularly in Africa, the Middle East, and Asia. Locust swarms can cause significant damage to crops, as they can eat large quantities of vegetation in a short amount of time. This can lead to food shortages and economic losses for farmers and communities. Locusts have a unique behavior called gregariousness, which means they can change from solitary individuals to swarming ones under certain conditions, such as droughts or periods of rapid vegetation growth. This can lead to outbreaks of locust swarms that can last for several years. There are several methods used to control locust outbreaks, including spraying insecticides, using biopesticides, and physical control methods such as digging trenches or using barriers to prevent swarms from reaching crops. These methods can be expensive and have negative environmental impacts, so it's important to use them carefully and judiciously. In addition to their economic impact, locusts can also have significant ecological impacts, as they can affect the balance of ecosystems and biodiversity. There are ongoing efforts to study and better understand locust behavior and ecology in order to develop more effective control methods and prevent future outbreaks. In summary, locusts are a type of grasshopper that can form swarms and cause significant damage to crops. They have unique behavior that can lead to outbreaks, and there are several methods used to control them. It's important to use these methods carefully and understand the ecological impacts of locust outbreaks. Your support means a lot to us. To help us keep creating great content, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe.